take a look at pictures of these behaviours and discuss the lens and camera settings that I use to click these cute birds. I want to click large size prints of these kind of pictures, and for that reason I'm hesitant to increase my ISO beyond 400 because that will induce digital noise. Even though we have pretty special AI tools these days that takes all the noise away, it's very difficult to color correct images that we click at higher ISO values. So at an ISO of 400 and aperture of 5.6 on my Nikon 500mm PF lens, the shutter speed turned out to be 1/640th of a second, which is a pretty fast shutter speed for this kind of stuff. Photographing small birds when they eat is a delightful challenge. Their constant movement and alertness means that you got to stay ready with your camera at all times. Observing their eating habits helps, and timing is everything. The best pictures often come when you catch them mid-peck with crumbs or seeds in their beak. It's an opportunity to photograph their delicate details and lively personalities in a natural moment. When clicking pictures of small birds, a focal length of 400mm is often not enough. So we need something that's at least 500mm. But at the same time, it should be easily hand-holdable, because when clicking pictures of these birds, we need to keep up with them through the viewfinder of our camera. And it becomes very difficult to do that with a heavy lens or use a monopod or tripod in certain situations. When you're holding the lens, rest the elbow of your hand onto your body so that the weight of your camera gear is going on the body, and it will be much easier to hold your position for a longer time as compared to keeping your elbows out. Because if you keep your elbows out, all the weight, all the strain is going on your arms, and you're going to have pretty sore arms at the end of the day. I discuss more about lenses, apertures, and depth of field in my book, Wildlife Photography Explained. The link is waiting for you in the description. I clicked these birds at the world famous Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, which is in the state of Rajasthan in India. It was evening and it was just at the right time for that golden light, the golden winter light. Whenever I click wildlife, I'm always striving to click pictures from their eye level. So here I was on a boat in Bharatpur, and that's the reason why I could get so close to these birds and photograph them at eye level. When we get down to their level, birds see us as less scary. Now you know more about wildlife photography. That will help you to click better pictures. Keep building on your knowledge by watching this next video where I show you how I photographed this beautiful herd of elephants.